Once the onion is translucent, you add your tomato paste. You guys, this oil is flavored already. I use it in frying my fish and turkey, so the oil is flavored. Add your tomato paste and allow it to fry until the sour taste is gone. Now I'm gonna add my cooked pepper mix. Add thyme, seasoning cubes. Basically add any spices you prefer at this point. I don't like too much spices in my food. White pepper. Stir, stir, stir and allow to dry up before adding your rice. Once the tomato is well dry, now you can add your washed or parboiled rice. I like to parboil my rice a little bit, unless I'm cooking in bulk, like for an event. Stir and allow to combine. Is it stir to combine? Not allowed to combine. Stir to combine. Stock. Add water that will be enough to cook the rice. Now taste for salt. Once everything is ready, cover and allow to cook. You guys, let's arrange small moi moi to pair the rice, like jollof rice. So I've got my blended beans with some pepper. I'm going to add stew. I fried stew, small pepper. Now I'm going to add my corned beef. Stir very well and taste for salt. I'm going to use my moi pouch to portion it. You guys. Once I'm done, I'm going to transfer it in a boiling water and allow to cook. Boiling water. Cover with foil to trap in the heat. Now cover and allow to cook. Now let's check the rice with the green rock. Ooh. The rice. Oh wow. Stir, stir. The color is popping. Now I'm gonna add butter to add more flavor. I'm gonna add some butter. Just stir. Just allow it to in there. And this time, your heat should be on low, very low heat. Cover. We'll come back to it shortly. Okay, guys. The rice is ready. Look at that. This is everything delicious. Wow. See how fluffy it is. Looks so good. And yeah, we are done cooking rice. It's remaining moi, and everything is ready. This is my fried fish and turkey and the fish and chicken, just to make it look good.
There was another one.
All right.
You only got one.
So I'm done cooking. Now let's check on the moi. It's been 45 to 50 minutes. It's ready.